Okay, so last video we did the nose. So let's continue the mouth and the rest of the things. So we'll see in the perspective how it looks. So this is fine. So just keep on this thing. So what I want right now, so to see the mouth close, so other vertices are disturbing. So for that, what I'll do this image plane, I can move forward. So I can see only right now the back vertices will not disturb because those things will be behind the image. All right, fine. So now this is the flow I like to make. So this I need not take for the mouth. So I'll take okay. This one I'll take for mouth. Fine. So let us create the flows. This is fine. So how it is going, it is not going straight. You see the flow how it is going. So see in the perspective also. You can hide this image right now. See the perspective how it is going. It is gone inside. Okay, no problem. You have to go inside, no problem. But little keep it correctly. Okay, fine. So in the see the side view. So now this is fine now. In side view, how it goes again. You see like this goes and goes like this and goes like this. So I'll remove the that's fine. So control shift you can use no problem. So it will not damage. Use control shift. So it goes like this, fine. Right. So this is will come like this. So this is the final flow for the mouth. Just check it out how it looks. Yes, fine. So things are coming correctly. Now fine. So now this area you have to move little. I think towards like this. So the shape will come correctly. Now this can be little further like this. Fine. So let's just check it up. Right, fine. Right. So now we'll go for that. After finish the things, then you can relax it. But let us finish the first thing. So this is the flow. Now you have to get the mouth outline. So you can use the multi-cut. So you can make the flows. So the clip outline you can make. Okay, so this is the point. So lip outline you can start from here and sorry, escape. So okay, fine. So uh, right. So it is not, because mirror is on, so no problem. So you can start from here. No issues. Later you can add it. Just check it up in this coming correctly or not. Yes, yes, yes. So here it will turn and say this is the final. All right. Okay. I'll just again you check it up. This how it is coming. Just follow that. And so this can be joined like this. So, yeah, and so now so this is going like this. So sharp selection reduce. Okay. So this is your lip outline. All right. Lip outline. Fine. So it's almost this part is done. So this you can give here you can see I can make it four. Sorry. So mesh multi-cut. We can join here after and you can join here and I can make it four sides. So make it now correction. This is the things are fine. So now what I'll do, I can delete this is our mouse socket. Delete, 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 delete. So this is your mouse socket is ready now. Okay. So now look at here. How is your mouse socket? It will be easy to work. To make the circuit first, then it will be get the trace it correctly. It's fine. So make the correct outline. So it goes correctly. Just check it up here. Yes, fine. So you can see here. So easy to trace. So now same thing you can do this part also. Right. Just take it up in the perspective also. So how it is looking, okay, fine. Then you see the side view also. Yes. So this also is just to come like this, like this. This to we can bring here and try to match as much as possible. So slowly we're getting. Sorry. It's fine. So it's good. So it is done. So delete the history. All right. So you have to make uh, extrude. Then better choice extrude and get the offset. So offset will be maybe 0.1. No, we can make it 1. Yes. So 1 is too much. Maybe you can push it a little inside at the same time. So you'll get the uh, thickness. You can see nicely we are getting thickness of the lip. Looks fine. So manually a little adjustment you have to do. Maybe this area it is a little overlapping. So you can push it little this way or that way. Maybe this one. Just see the wireframe. Look at here and just do adjustment and same thing. This another one it has gone somewhere. Yes. So now this looks fine. So like that we can make the uh, lip thickness. So now one more you can try also. Double click, extrude, and again one more thick offset. Give offset again 0.5. It's fine. Okay, so like that. Or I can mention toward this way inside. Maybe a little more offset you can give. Maybe 1. Yes. So nice thickness you are getting. It's fine. Looks fine. Right. Okay. Now looks fine. Local translate jet. Oh my God. Undo. Okay. So always you say the file saves in its keep saving always D my 06 delete 06. Yes. Now I like to have one outer uh, support. Give one more insert loop here. So that will help you the outer. Even also one more you can give for overall. Then you can relax it. No issues. Okay. So you have should have enough support to do the things. So I think this is fine. Then go for the relaxation. So save it, edit, delete all beta history, and I'll go for the relax tool and reduce the brush size and relax it. So all the flows will be nicely equally distributed and it will not change the shape. Sorry, here it is. So it do not have enough support. So if it is making that area don't do. Okay. So wherever the problem that area can do. Right. So now this area is done. So here it is done. Here you can make it correctly. Here is fine. So reduce the brush size little and you can just equally just distribute. Now it looks fine. So now you have to match the reference image as much possible. So this is the little you can uh, change the shape. Just you could have like this. Sorry. Right. And from the this finger you can make it this fine. Okay. Just look at here. Fine. Yes. We are giving the shapes, and here we can see we'll have one depth that you have to do. Give depth. Give the depth. Give the depth. It's fine. Maybe you can have one more insert is loop here to give the better support. So mesh insert is loop one more here, and that you can make more round. Sorry, it's too much. More round, and I expect also one more here. So like that, you can make it little more round this area. Right, right. So now looks better. Okay, so now you can see we did the sorry, did the mouth part as well as, and even if also I suggest make more relaxed this area possible. So if this area is having some issues, okay, fine, leave that part. The reason these are there, no, I don't think so. Yes, make it more round, make the flows uh, more organic, make it flow everywhere equally. So this tool is really good. It helps make the topology very correct. Yes. So now it looks fine. Right. The lower part is fine. If possible, I feel, and this tool also can use this more tool to make the exact shape how it should. So little make it more round, and this area also make it more round. So this thin part should not look like this. Okay, fine. So on that far will generate. So now our really looks fine. So here also maybe little more. Yes. So those topology is fine. So finally, subtend the edge, and all looks fine. So so like that, you have to start creating the things. Next class, we'll see uh, how to make the ear part. So after creating the ear, then we'll have that feel, look and feel like look like more lion. Right? So till that, you have just match after doing this part only. Uh, it look like more like lion. Okay, so see you next video. How to create the ear, then we'll assemble, then we'll do the feet part also.